I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Experts from University College London published a study in the Journal of Neurology which suggests patients who take drugs for erectile dysfunction may be reducing their odds of developing Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease causes the brain to shrink and brain cells to eventually die. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia, a gradual decline in memory, thinking, behavior, and social skills. According to the research group, men who took drugs to combat the issue were 18% less likely to develop Alzheimer's than those who did not. The researchers examined the medical records of 270,000 UK men aged between 40 and over who were diagnosed with erectile dysfunction between 2000 and 2017. Alzheimer's Research Group UK are also hopeful and said that the possibility of repurposing drugs already used for other health conditions could help accelerate progress and open up new avenues to prevent or treat dementia-causing diseases. Just over half, 55%, had been prescribed a type of medication known as Viagra, Cialis, etc. to treat the erectile dysfunctions, but more research, including clinical trials, is needed to prove this. Thank you very much for watching this video.